Here's another tip from Rolling Strong, with insights to help you stay healthy on the road.
Hi everyone, Coach Cindy here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about hydration. You may have heard about hydration from your Rolling Strong wellness coach. Maybe you see the tab on your Rolling Strong app and it tells you how much to drink. Or maybe you heard it from your doctor or even on the news, but in case you missed it, you really need to drink half your body weight in fluid ounces every day to stay sufficiently hydrated. That means if you weigh 200 pounds, you need to drink about 100 ounces of water. Now, so many people get incredulous when I say this. They're like, say what? But here are some fast facts on water. You lose water every day in so many ways. When you sweat, in your metabolism, if the altitude changes or the temperature changes, it can all affect your hydration levels. Staying hydrated is crucial for your health, especially in the upcoming summer months where it gets really hot in some places in this country. When you don't drink enough water, your electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and chloride, they all become imbalanced, causing muscle cramps and physical and mental fatigue. Think for a minute about what physical and mental fatigue can do to you while you're driving. Driving while dehydrated has been shown to impair driving ability as if you had a blood alcohol level of 0.08%, which is the U.S. legal driving limit for alcohol. Sort of gives a different meaning and twist to the words drinking and driving, doesn't it? Water intake helps to regulate blood pressure, blood sugar, helps blood to not get sticky and coagulated, and it even prevents certain cancers. Here are a few ways that water helps your body with some chronic conditions. If you have high blood pressure, water can help to normalize your blood pressure and stabilize your heartbeat. If you are overweight or obese, water helps you to lose weight because it increases satiety, it carries nutrients and oxygens to the cells in your body, and it relieves constipation and boosts your metabolism. If you have high blood sugar or diabetes, water can help flush out excess blood sugar from the bloodstream. It also flushes bacteria from your bladder and helps you with your kidney health. If you have arthritis or aches and pains, water cushions your joints. It lubricates them so that they move easier. If you exercise, water helps to maximize your physical performance. It is key to maintaining that electrolyte balance, and therefore it reduces cramps, fatigue, and muscle and nervous tension. Water also has some other benefits. It's great for keeping your skin moist and supple. It helps you even breathe better, and it's very protective of your organs and tissues. Now, our bodies are made up of about 60% water. Once again, a simple rule of thumb is to drink half your body weight in fluid ounces every day to replace what you lose and to stay sufficiently hydrated. Now, a lot of people have a little bit of a problem with that. So when I talk to them, I always give one of my favorite sneaky tips. If you feel that drinking water is tough to do at first, try getting more water by eating a lot of hydrating fruits and vegetables. Some fruits and vegetables are extremely hydrating. Cucumbers are over 96% water. Other veggies that are easy to find and most people really seem to like them, and they're over 90% water, include lettuce, celery, radishes, tomatoes, zucchinis, green peppers, cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, baby carrots, spinach, and everybody's favorite fruits like watermelon, grapefruit, and cantaloupe. Not only do these foods help you stay hydrated, they also give you the bonus of lots of nutrients. They're rich in vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. So let's wrap up with a few tips to help you increase your water intake. Drink 8 ounces of water as soon as you wake up and try to drink another 8 ounces at every meal. Draw a line in a gallon jug and take it with you every day. That line represents how much water you should drink. If the flavor of water is what you're having a problem with, try adding a little sliced fruit or vegetables and let them infuse overnight for a really refreshing taste. You can also pack a cooler full of water-rich fruits and veggies and take it with you to work every day. When you're out, remember to include water-rich veggies as a side to your salads or your meal. and there's lots of cut up fruit, usually at any convenience store. Staying hydrated means you stay safe and well. So drink up, everyone.
We're glad to offer these podcasts, and we hope you find them useful. At Rolling Strong, we're here to help.